Hi, I'm Sarita LaRoche, and today I'm working with blues and gold. Today I have 3 8x10 canvases, and I'm going to be using some of my favorite values of blue. I've mixed up my paints with only water. This is high quality artist paint mixed with water to thin it down. Not so much water to break apart the binders, but enough water to make it loose and pliable so that it can be manipulated on the canvas. So I started with white, a good amount of white. I wanted to make sure the top was really soaked and also the sides. And then I put on this lovely navy that I kind of mixed myself with several different blues and a little bit of black. I really wanted to have a heavy dark color at the bottom and then a graduated ombre effect up. I added some phthalo blue and I just used a popsicle stick to move it around, and I wanted to make sure that the sides really got saturated with the colors because I want to see that lovely change of color on the sides. I then used this light blue, did the same thing, touched up all my sides. All of this is fairly thick and wet so that it's going to move freely across the canvas. I ended with this phthalo green, and I had added some some Viridian on top. And then I always like to add a little bit of a metallic. So here I'm adding a gold, a 24 karat gold. And this is going to help with cell creation and lacing. There are no additives in my paint. There's no silicone, anything. So you can see I blow down the white over all of those colors. This is actually really pretty, and for a moment I just kind of stared at it. I thought I almost want to leave it just like that because I got some lovely lacing, some nice cells and movement, but I went ahead with my original plan and I blew up. When you're using the hairdryer, less is more. So you can see I only did 2 passes on each of the canvases. If you do too much, the colors start to blend and it gets muddy. I look at little individual parts, like here I added a little bit more blue. I did end up going in and blowing with my mouth a little bit on some areas, and then I torched the whole thing to pop bubbles. It was an easy project, and I think it came out with some beautiful, beautiful final results here. They're all dried. They can be hung together as a triptych or separately. I love the variations of color. I love the softness. So I hope this is helpful for you making your own beautiful messes. You can always visit me at SaritaLaRoche.com, and I will catch you